On October 27, 1961, NASA successfully launched the Saturn I rocket, an event that would go on to shape the course of human space exploration and mark a decisive point in the Cold War space race. This rocket test, conducted at Cape Canaveral, was the first of its kind and demonstrated the feasibility of the heavy-lift Saturn rockets, which would eventually carry astronauts to the Moon. The Saturn I was developed as part of NASA's response to the Soviet Union's early successes in space, including the launch of Sputnik in 1957 and the first manned spaceflight by Yuri Gagarin in 1961. These milestones had put immense pressure on the U.S. to demonstrate its own space capabilities and secure dominance in the ongoing space race. The successful test of Saturn I was therefore not just a scientific triumph, but also a powerful statement of America's growing technological prowess. Standing 165 feet tall, the Saturn I rocket was the largest rocket ever launched by the U.S. at that time. Its first test flight aimed to validate the design of the rocket's first stage, which consisted of 8 clustered engines producing a thrust of 1.5 million pounds. The rocket's powerful performance demonstrated that the United States was making strides toward its ambitious goal of landing humans on the Moon. The success of the Saturn I test gave NASA the confidence and the technical foundation it needed to pursue more advanced iterations of the Saturn rocket, which would culminate in the legendary Saturn V. This larger, more powerful rocket would later carry astronauts like Neil Armstrong, Buzz Aldrin, and Michael Collins to the Moon in 1969. In the broader context of the Cold War, the space race was about more than just scientific exploration. It was a battle for ideological supremacy, with the United States and the Soviet Union each striving to prove the superiority of their political systems and technologies. The launch of the Saturn I represented a turning point in this competition, giving the U.S. a critical boost in its quest to win the space race. Beyond its immediate geopolitical significance, the Saturn I laid the groundwork for the space technology that continues to shape our world today. The knowledge gained from these early rocket tests contributed to the development of modern space travel, satellite communication, and even defense technologies. The legacy of the Saturn I lives on as a symbol of human ingenuity and the relentless pursuit of exploration. Don't miss out on this fascinating piece of history. Subscribe for more incredible moments from the past.